Hello guys, welcome to Ram Hobbies, and today it's unboxing time. So we're going to unbox this Takara Tomy B00 Metal Fight Beyblade 2020 Explosion set. And this is a Metal Fight, remake. So there you go, this is just an outer carton.
There's a goal.
Yes, okay. So I really like the design of this one. So 2020 Beyblade Burst 6 years anniversary. Beyblade 2020 anniversary, and then I think these are the logos of the Beyblades included in this set. By the way, before we continue on unboxing this Beyblade product, we would just like to say thank you to HobbyDigi. So they are the one who gave us this Beyblade product to unbox and review. And if you are interested to buy this one and the latest DB Beyblade products, I will just put the link in the description below. So let's continue on looking at the box. So there you go. This is Jinka. Of course, this one is Ryuga. I don't know this guy and this guy, but I think this one is Damian Hart. This one is Galaxy Pegasis 5 Glaive Jolt Dash. And the owner is Jinka Hagane. And this one is Meteo L-Drago. So this one is Meteo L-Drago 7 Vortex Spiral Dash. And the owner is none other than Ryuga. So we started playing Beyblades on the Chozi series, but Ryuga is one of my most favorite Beyblade character because I was watching some of the anime with him on it and he was really cool. And also Ginka. And this one is Ray Unicorno 1 Dash Proof Unite Dash. I honestly don't know the owner of this one. Please let me know in the comment section below. Gravity Perseus. Oh, Perseus! Is it the original owner of Perseus? Anyway, 00 Bump Yielding. I don't know this guy too. Let me know in the comment section what is the role of this guy in the anime. And this one is Kerbecs 0 Lift Mobius. So this one is Damian Hart. Oh, Mobius. So this is the original Mobius, I guess. And it also includes, hold on, BeyLauncher L and also a BeyLauncher LR color black. So let's look at the content. Wow, look, Rohan. Oh, there is my reflection. So this is one of the things that I like in this Beyblade product. Yeah, this one is gold. Hold on, Ron. I'll just show this signed art.
This is blue and red.
So this is Jinka, Ryuga, Damian, and the two other Beyblade characters. This one is really cool. By the way, I wanted to display this one. We will now open this and look at each Beyblades. I guess
how we can open it.
I guess you can open it here. 3, 2, 1, go!
Shoot.
Hold on. We might destroy the box.
Oh!
Right. So this is the box of the box. I mean box of the.
Oh! Guys! Oh my gosh!
Wow!
And this is.
Okay, so this is the stickers. Let me get it first. Okay, there you go.
Someone gave that to me once it was
HobbyDigi.
Yes.
This is actually HobbyDigi's birthday gift to Riley. Okay guys, so this is the Long BeyLauncher R color white. This one is for Ryuga and Meteo L-Drago Beyblade. Oh, this one is really long.
Oh.
And this is the, wow, this one is really cool. This one is the Long BeyLauncher LR color black. Oh, this one is not color black, guys. Oh, I missed the. I missed the sound of the BeyLauncher.
This one is
right spin, left spin. Oh yeah, this one's really cool.
Oh, this is so long, really long. Wow, it's really long.
Let's look at
this here.
Galaxy Pegasis first.
Oh!
Okay, so this is Galaxy Pegasus or Pegasis. Okay, so that's 5 Glaive and Jolt Dash. I really like the color of the Jolt Dash. Oh, there's also star, of course. So there you go.
What a star.
Galaxy
I wanna
Pegasus.
take a look.
Yeah, sure. Oh man, this one. Okay, so this is the
El-Drago.
Meteo L-Drago.
How does
7 vortex. 7 vortex
How
and
does
then
remove cord?
spiral dash.
How does remove cord? Because
No, that's the part.
but
You cannot remove it.
what's that?
Okay.
In the laptop, it said it can move, right?
Yeah.
But how this can move?
Okay, next one.
Oh, so
Okay, so this is the black one. Hold on. So this is the 00. So this is gravity, Perseus, 00 bump, and then yielding.
How did you
Oh
get
man,
it?
I like the color of this one.
How did you get it?
Okay, so there you go. I really like the color combination of this one. Hopefully, we can get a black Meteo L-Drago in the future. Oh man, sick. Okay, so this is the gold one. Hell Kerbecs. Oh, I think the burst resistance of this one is not that good. Just like the other re-release of this one. Okay, so this is Hell Kerbecs 0 lift. Lift. Ooh, interesting. Lift Mobius. Oh, so this is the original Mobius. Okay, there you go. Gold color.
Definitely.
Oh man, this one is really cool. And the last one is Ray Unicorno. Okay, so this one is the Ray Unicorno 1 dash proof. Oh, the color of this proof is really cool, and I think is this. Oh man, I think this is really cool. And Unite dash. Oh, just like in the spree gun. So there you go.
How this can be moved like that?
Okay, so before we do our battles, let's look at them all closely. So this is the Meteo L-Drago. Looks good, guys. Next one is the Galaxy Pegasis. Oh man. Color combination. Oh man, I missed the Metal Fight Beyblades. We are doing Metal Fight Beyblades before. Just L-Drago and Galaxy Pegasus, just by the way.
Don't forget this.
Oh, this one really looks cool. The Hell Kerbecs. Oh, interesting parts. Okay, so this is the Gravity Perseus. I honestly like the color of this one. And the last one is the Ray Unicorno. Hopefully we can get metal Beyblades again soon, but I doubt it because this can if this is made of metal, this can actually hurt the bladers, which might cause some problems with Takara Tomy. So I guess they will continue on making plastic plus some metal on the Beyblades. So let's do some battles now and see which one of this is the strongest. Okay guys, so as you know, Meteo L-Drago is one of my most favorite Beyblade. So what we will do is battle all of the Beyblades in the B00 Metal Fight Beyblade 2020 Explosion set with Meteo L-Drago. So our first opponent is Ray Unicorno. Let's do it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Tumatalon.
Yes, it's jumping. Okay, Meteo L-Drago versus the Ray Unicorno.
Miss.
Oh, hit it! It's going to end the stamina battle. Okay, I'm not sure who won that one. I think it's Meteo L-Drago. Let's do another round.
L-Unicorn.
Okay, again, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot!
L-Unicorn.
Oh, nice hit! L-Drago! I am the Dragon Emperor! Ooh. Stamina battle again. Oh, I think you won. Nice one, Ran. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, so our next opponent is Kerbecs. Let's do it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, this is Kerbecs.
Oh, nice. Oh, I like the color Kerbecs. Cold Turbo!
Go, Turbo!
The name of that one is Kerbecs. Zero
Nasa
Lead.
center lang
Oh!
siya, nasa center.
You're using Mobius, so the stamina of that one will be really good. Oh no, can we win? Okay, winner is Rohan. Kerbecs, 1 point. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, ring out finish. Winner is Meteo L-Drago. That's 1-1. That's another one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nice hits! Ah, let's do it! We will also battle Beyblades that will defeat Meteo L-Drago. Oh, it's really strong. Winner is Rohan again. So, let's do the next one. Okay, so our next opponent is Gravity Perseus. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Ganda ng
L-Drago! Oh, nice hit! Oh,
Kuruma.
It's really good, right?
Anong driver nito?
Driver, oh, the parts of that one is Gravity Perseus 00 bump yielding. So 00 is good. Not sure with the yielding driver. Stamina battle! Oh, you! Winner's Rohan again! Oh no, L-Drago, let's... Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! L-Drago! Emperor Dragon! Whoa! Oh man! Oh man! Stamina battle, we will lose because it's using Spiral Dash.
Mas spiral
It's an attack type driver. Oh! Oh, it's a draw. Let's do another.
No, ako panalo. I win.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Nalulusot yan.
The rush launch is not working. Yeah, I will actually hit the camera if I use my full power rush launch. Because the camera is right here. Okay, so next match is against, this is the ultimate battle, Galaxy Pegasis versus Meteo L-Drago.
Meteo L-Drago.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh! Attack type 2, what's the driver of that one? Oh, Jolt Dash versus Spiral Dash. Both are attack type drivers. Intense battle. Oh! Oh, I think you actually won.
Mabigat? It's heavy, guys.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, nice hit! Oh, nice! Oh man, you're doing the flower pattern. Oh, let's do it! Defeat him! Ah! You Okay. Okay guys, so these two Beyblades are really strong, so we will battle with them. So Ray Unicorno versus Gravity Perseus. Which one do you want to use? Okay, I'll use this one. Okay guys, I'm sorry, this is Kerbecs. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, bird! Oh man, intense. So that's a burst finish. Winner is
No, it's a quick burst.
Kerbecs. Let's do another one.
Malakas talaga si Kerbecs, right?
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Mobius is really hard to control, and if you launch it with your full power, sometimes it will do that movement. So some of the bladers are just using moderate launch when using Mobius driver.
Quadrant drift, right?
Yes, of course. Oh man, you got the center. I might lose this one. Okay, it's going to be.
Sure, it's me.
Oh! Okay, winner is Rohan.
Yay, help, Kerbecs.
3, 2, 1, go.
I got
Oh, there you go. Oh!
Gravity! Perseus!
Golden Turbo, yes! Winner is Kerbecs. Okay guys, so that's all for our video. We really enjoy unboxing and battling these Beyblades. So, subscribe to our channel for more Beyblade contents. And again, thank you to HobbyDigi for sponsoring this Beyblade product. If you want to buy this one, I'll just put the link in the description below. Just check it out. So, thank you guys for watching. You are awesome. Bye-bye!